Душа радується.
So, what's going on down at Zaporizhia front? For now, we know that the Russians are fighting defensively, and that positional battles are ongoing. The Ukrainian artillery has received a lot of ammunition and is working well. A Russian reinforcement column here feels that on its skin. Unverified video claiming to be filmed from an Ukrainian position in the Zaporizhia front line. Raise your volume and listen.
О, блядь. Душа радується. Красавчики.
A 155mm M109A6 Paladin reportedly destroyed a Russian 220mm TOS-1 Solnsepyok in the direction of Zaporizhia.
Мужики, перенесите огонь на танчики теперь. Да нет, это не то. Вообще, на. А корректированные нацики.
Нацгвардия не воює.
Ноутбук садится.
Покажите еще на стрим.
Бандеру, включи.
Давай, Макс,
Мужики, вы на танк перенесете?
In some areas, it's not going well for Ukraine. One of the advancing columns of the armed forces of Ukraine was defeated. It lost 3 to 4 Leopard 2 tanks and 9 to 10 Bradley armored vehicles. Russian forces under Ukrainian artillery fire were seen retreating south of Velika Novosilka in Donetsk region. Russian sources claim that this position was already returned under their control, but no proof was delivered for this claim. In Ufa in Russia, a powerful fire is blazing near the railway station.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.